Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question, and the question is 5x square over 25x is equal to 125, and we will solve this question for this x. And in order to solve this question, in the first step we should write this 25 is to power x as 5 square over all power x. On the other part of the equation, which is f 5x is 5 is to power x square and equal to 125, will remain same. Now, as we know that from the basic rule of algebra, if a variable or if a base having a power of a power, then both power will multiply together. So here we apply the same rule, and after applying this rule on this value, we will get 5 is to power 2x, or this 5 square overall power x will convert into 5 is to power 2x, and this 5x is 5 is to power x square equal to 125 will remain same. Now, from the basic rule of algebra, if the two values are existing in fraction with one or same base but having a different power, it can be written as with one base with the difference of power. So here we apply the same rule, and after applying this rule on this fraction, we should get 5 is to power x square minus 2x. It's just is same as applying the applying this basic rule algebra on this fraction, and this 125 will convert into 5 is to power 3. Now, in the next step, we should apply the next basic rule of algebra, which is if the two values are having same magnitude base, or if the two values having or two bases are having the same magnitude and different bases. So if the magnitude are equal in of the bases, then their power will also equal together, or if two values are equal in magnitude, then their power are also equal together. So here we apply the same rule. You can see that two bases are equal in magnitude, then their power are also equal. So we will get, after applying this rule on this equation, we should get x square minus 2x is equal to 3. Now we will arrange this equation in a simple manner, and we should move this 3, which having a positive sign, it will move to the other side of the equation, and it will convert into minus 3 equal to 0 will be the remainder to the other side of the equation, and the other part of the equation will remain same. Now you can see that this is a quadratic equation and this is a factorizable equation, and you can see that this is a C of a quadratic equation and having a negative sign. It means that according to basic rule of factorization, this b of a quadratic equation will break in an opposite sign. It means that subtraction will perform over here. So we will factorize this equation as x square minus 3x plus x minus 3 equal to 0. This minus 2x will break in an opposite sign. It means that it will break into minus 3x plus x, and you can see that when we subtract this minus 3x from plus x, it will be equal to minus 2x, and when we multiply this 3 with the coefficient of this x, it will be equal to minus 3, and which is equal to the product of a and c coefficient, which is equal to minus 3. Now in the next step, we should take common x from this expression, and we should get x minus 3, and we should take common plus 1 from both of these values, and we should get plus 1, and x minus 3 will be the remainder. Now in the next step, we should take common x minus 3 from the whole expression, and we should get x minus 3 as a common value, and x plus 1 will be the remainder. Now in the next step, we should take x minus 3 equal to 0, and this minus 3 will move to the other side of the equation, and it will convert from minus 3 to positive 3, and we should get the first value of x, which is equal to x is equal to 3. Now in the next step, x plus 1 equal to 0, or we should take x plus 1 equal to 0, and now this plus 1 will move to the other side of the equation, and it will convert into minus 1. So here we get another value for the x, which is equal to x is equals to minus 1. So we get two values for the x. First one is x is equals to 3 and second one is x is equals to minus 1 for this expression. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.